Today I'm explaining about another assignment in Illustrator. Okay, yeah, up to the brochure. The other assignments are over. Now the ninth one is label design. So size A5. So 148 mm into 210 mm. Okay. So actually, what are labels? What is the use of the labels? Okay. Some the description about labels I'll explain actually today. Okay. And suppose here these are the labels. Labels means simply how we understand the sticker types. Okay, the displaying information, contents, nutrition values. Okay, so tags and all, these and all simply. Okay. Okay. Designing a product label not only means creating an eye-catching design, okay, that will help to sell their product, but also providing vital information to consumers. Certain elements obviously demand prominence on the label, so namely the name of the product, the slogan, and the company logo. So these are okay. So the label means not only the beautiful design. Whatever you are designing, it must have some purpose. Okay, so to improve your sales. Okay, otherwise some purpose you must have to include. So without the purpose, without the benefit of the design, really that is useless. Okay, so these are all the labels. And suppose what is a label? A label, as distinct from signage, is a piece of paper, the plastic film, cloth, metal, or other material affixed to a container or product, on which is written or printed information or symbols about the product or item. Information printed directly on a container or article can also be considered labeling. So here label means what? It can be a paper or plastic sheet, cloth, metal. Okay, it can be anything. So it has some printed information, written information or symbols about the product or item. Okay, so this information printed directly in a container or article can also be considered labeling. Okay, yeah, see the labels here. What should be include in a label? So here it is very important. See the nutrition facts, nutrition values. Okay, we print on the label. You must include this in label. The most important components to include on your label. The first one is your brand name. It must be included. Okay, you have to include your brand name. The brand name of your product is one of the most important component. Okay, that is compulsory. We'll include that. And the second one is product name. What are you selling? The name of the product. So brand name is different and product name is different. So brand name is like your logo type. Okay, and the product name is from that logo. You can create, you can sell many kind of products under the same one brand name. Here it is another the product. So give the name of that product. And what are you selling? Chips or otherwise the soaps, shampoo or oil. So what are the what you are selling? Packaging size. Yes, it is must be. So it is 500 grams or otherwise 1 liter of pack, or so some information. Okay, and UPSC code or barcode related to that information, that price, rate and all you can include. Company name, city, state and zip code. So the company name, your company name. Okay, you can include, and your city and the state and the zip, the postal address code. Okay, then any certifications. If you got any certification from the suppose ISI, Indian Standard Institute. So otherwise Agmarks. So these are the for quality purpose, the assurance of the quality, that give the certifications. If you have them, just you can include in label also. And your product story, yes, it is important. So your story, that means your product story, how it is the better than the other products. Okay, what the things you are included in your particular so your product, like honey or whatever the suppose biscuits, and your suppose your ice cream, whatever in your product. So what the things are including into that, so you can add them also. Nutritional information, yes, that is, so nutritional information means this is okay. So generally when you buy something, immediately can rotate that pack and we read very casually the information of the nutrition values. Okay, so then only most of the people that buy their product, it is very very important. Okay. Then what makes a good label design? Okay, so when creating a label design, make sure the text is legible. So it is very important. It must be a readability. Readable should include the readability of the text. The font size, okay, should appropriate, so that the people can read the label from a good distance clearly. So that is very important. The font size also important. Okay, suppose the danglers and point of sales, when you step into your market, any mall, in front of your head, there the danglers, the point of sale can rotate. Okay, so then we'll understand, oh, these are giving 50% discount, otherwise, oh, these are giving some special offers they are providing. We'll understand, we'll read and understand about those the particular product. Okay, so that is the reason your text, font, or otherwise your symbols are must maintain the clarity. Okay, so then the consumers, the customers, from distance also they'll recognize their product. That is very important. Okay, the text should be above 6-point font at the very least. It is a minimum actually. So less than that you cannot recognize that font. Okay, the minimum sense, the minimum point 6 point. Okay, less than that never give. Okay, so this is very least. So choose a font color that comes with the both value and intensity contrast. Really, it is very important, the font color. Okay, on which background your font can display. Okay, so that is really very important. That comes with the both value and the intensity. Intensity means, contrast means what? It is it should contrast with the background, with other elements. Okay, so that is very important. What is the purpose of labels? Yes, this is important. Suppose you made a beautiful logo, but what is the purpose of that? Label is an information tag, a wrapper, a seal attached to a product or products package. Label becomes helpful to sellers to sell out the product. A label provides a complete information regarding the product. Labeling describes the product of its size, quality, quantity, and method of use. Yes, these are already in regular usage. When you buy something, we find all these things. Okay, so what the product and the size and the quantity and the quality of the product will understand. That is the main purpose of the label. What are the benefits of food labels? Yeah, come to the food label. The food labels carry useful information to help you make good choices about food. That is very very important. So the good choice, which product is really suitable for you. Okay, so it gives the choice. The food label will tell you if the food contains an additive that you may want to avoid. Okay, so nutrition information panel helps you to compare the nutrient profile of similar products and choose the one that suits your needs. Yeah, suppose the same competitor offering the same kind of food, but you can compare them by seeing the this information on a food label. Yes, 7 unique label types and when to use them. Yeah, here the 7 different kind of labels generally we observe in market malls. The dry peel labels. Dry peel labels are a type of label that can be peeled away and removed from the product container or package. So these are, so temporarily you can the paste over on the product. So suppose they are offering any discounts, okay, or otherwise something they're with the product, something they're offering freely. Sometimes we find in malls, if you buy something attach it to that, they'll offer another one. So temporarily like a peel, okay, so they attach it to the main the product that can be a peel. Fold out labels. The fold out labels are labels that fold out to provide additional content. So it can be foldable. So if you open that folder, you will get the additional information. See there? Yeah, it is foldable actually. It is 2-3 folds are there. When you open this like a ribbon, you can open this, then you will understand, you can read and understand about the product. This is a foldable because it is a in fold. Reseal. The reseal labels, okay, you can seal again. Reseal means you can open it and you can use reseal. On the seal again can apply another seal, okay, that is the reseal. Expandable reseal booklet. Yes, this is expandable like booklet. Suppose this is a syrup medicine, has very much information about that syrup or medicine. So number of pages, number of this one the leaflets we want to use. So it can be a pages like the many pages. It look like a booklet. Okay. So generally we also find these kind of things in market, particularly medical related. So the much information available because it has a, it look like a booklet, expandable. That is, this is specialty die cut labels. This is we know very well because these are look like stickers, just stickers only. You can remove that back paper and you can fix it anywhere. So these are the stickers. And suppose it removable easily, you can remove and paste it anywhere. Specialty die cut labels. Die cut means what? After your design, the die cut machines operator, so as per your design they cut along with your the marker. So this is your mark. Suppose this is the paper, okay, on that you designed particularly one particular shape. According to that shape, the die cut makers, they cut as easily your design. So that can be die cut labels. Okay. Then here tag and the board packaging. The tag and board packaging, we know very well about this. So because the tags, when you buy your shirts, pants in market, any dress materials, we find there is a the tags, okay, rate tags, otherwise quality about the tags and before wearing all these clothes, obviously we remove from your clothes, okay, the dresses. These are the tags, we know that. The prime labels, yeah, prime labels are the main label. Suppose when you buy a product, suppose there is a cooking oil, otherwise some juices. So in front of the product, okay, the main logo can display, that is the prime label. So it can tells about the product, okay. So the main the product, about the main product, the display, their logo, their design, their product, everything they include into that. These are the prime labels, the main the labels. Then the standard label sizes. What are the different standard label sizes? The popular mailing label sizes on 8.5 into 11 sheets. Suppose this is the 8.5 into 11 sheet. Okay, on that 1.75 into 0.5. Okay, so OL25 0.80 labels. So on that 80 labels you will get per sheet. So that means what? There are very small sticker types. 80 labels you can print and cut from this 8.5 into 11 sheet on that sheet. This is 2.625 into 1. Okay, well, 875 30 labels will get, because here the size, the sticker size is bit increased. Okay, and here 30 labels you will get per sheet of 8.5 into 11 sheet. Here it is 4 into 2. Okay, 10 labels you will get. Okay, your sticker size is slowly increasing, and here 8 point into 11 sheets. Okay, so 8.5 into 5.5. Okay, 2 labels per sheet. So on this 8.5 into 11 sheet you will get exactly 2 of them. Okay, 2 you will get. So these are the brief information about labels. Okay, so tomorrow we'll start label design of this. Okay, so designing label is very important. Okay, as a designer you have to design labels also. Okay, tomorrow everything I'll explain practically. Okay, just you can read it and understand. Okay, if you have any doubt, ask me. Thank you.